Maximizing wealth with artificial intelligence, unleashed potential. Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine earning while you sleep, thanks to AI's power to automate income-generating processes. Sounds dreamy, right? First, consider AI-driven trading platforms. They analyze data at superhuman speeds, making profitable trades a reality for everyone. Then, there's content creation. AI tools can churn out articles, videos, and more, attracting audiences and advertisers alike. Don't overlook custom software solutions. Businesses pay top dollar for AI applications tailored to their needs. And if you're into teaching, why not create an AI course? As AI continues to grow, so does the thirst for knowledge. In conclusion, whether you're investing, creating, developing, or educating, AI holds the key to unlocking extraordinary wealth. Dive in.